Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Time with Terry. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your very own computer from scratch. It's super easy. Just follow my step-by-step guide and you'll have a working machine in no time. Probably. Step 1. Gather your tools. First, you'll need a hammer, a butter knife, and a glass of water. Trust me, these are essential for delicate electronics work. Step 2. Prepare your workspace. Find the softest carpet in your house and shuffle your feet for maximum static electricity. This helps charge up your components for better performance. Step 3. Install the CPU. Open your motherboard box and immediately throw away the instruction manual. Place your CPU on the socket, pins facing up, and press down hard with your palm until you hear a satisfying crunch. That means it's secure. Step 4. Add thermal paste. Generously squirt an entire tube of toothpaste onto the CPU. Don't worry about spreading it evenly. The more the better. This keeps your processor minty fresh. Step 5. Insert RAM. Take your RAM sticks and snap them in sideways. If they don't fit, use the hammer from earlier. RAM loves a good whack. Step 6. Power supply installation. Place your power supply on top of the motherboard. Don't bother screwing it in. Gravity will hold it. Plug in every cable you see, even if it doesn't fit. Force is key. Step 7. Cooling. Pour your glass of water directly onto the motherboard for instant liquid cooling. The more water, the cooler your computer will be. Step 8. Boot up. Plug your computer directly into your neighbor's outlet for extra power. Press every button at once and wait for the magic smoke. Congratulations, you've built a computer. Host. And there you have it, a perfectly assembled PC. If it doesn't turn on, just repeat the steps and add more water. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Upbeat music fades out. Disclaimer: absolutely do not follow these steps. This script is a joke and will destroy your computer parts. For real instructions, consult a professional or a reputable guide.